To remove the number 8 valve, you'll need to remove the 2 wires on the front, unscrew the top, and then loosen the valve from the manifold using a 7/8 deep socket. Remove the coil, set it aside, use the 7/8 deep socket to remove the valve from the manifold. Installation is the reverse order of removal. To remove the number 10 valve connected to the manifold, you first need to remove the 2 wire connectors on the front, unscrew the plastic cap, and then remove the valve from the manifold using a 1-inch deep socket. Remove the coil and set it aside. And remove the valve from the manifold. Installation of a new valve is the reverse order of removal.